Stop juggling between apps and learn how to seamlessly watch YouTube and chat on WhatsApp at the same time. We're diving into easy techniques for ultimate mobile multitasking first. Let's explore picture-in-picture mode. Open the YouTube app and start playing the video you want to watch. Once your video is playing, simply swipe up from the bottom of your screen or press the home button on your device. This should automatically minimize the YouTube video into a small, floating window. If you don't see a smaller window appear, you may need to enable picture-in-picture in your phone settings. Now open WhatsApp and you can continue your conversations while the YouTube video plays in the floating window. You can move the video window around your screen and even resize it to your preference. Next, let's explore split screen. If picture-in-picture isn't working on your device, or you prefer a bigger view, split screen is your best bet. Open the YouTube app, then swipe up from the bottom to access your recent apps, or open the app overview. Look for the YouTube apps icon. It is usually at the top of the app display or the top of the app preview. Tap and hold on the icon, then select either split screen option or similar wording. Depending on what phone you are using, YouTube will now occupy one half of your screen. The other half will show your other apps. Choose WhatsApp from the options. Now you perfectly have both YouTube and WhatsApp running side by side. Adjust the divider in the middle to resize each app to your liking. That's it. You're now a multitasking master. Enjoy watching and chatting without missing a beat. Please like and subscribe for more awesome tips and tricks.